Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Hey family, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I am back with Mr. Devon on his farm and we're looking at his sheep. Last time we spoke with him, we were looking at the goats. Today we're looking at the sheep. And he also has a few other animals such as ducks and chickens. And these are also available for purchase. Oh, okay. So they just sell like one sheep.
Yeah, we know like cut up and sell pound.
Yeah.
You come and you want one for whatever reason you want it for. We agreed upon a price and we have people who dress it for you. The same
Just like with the
goat.
the goat. Yeah. Okay.
Sort them out.
Okay.
The sheep and John. You know, and people they customer buy them a lot too. And people just normally buy them to people, buy them because when we're back home, people talk about pigeon soup, nourishment from it. The young people who are sick, the elderly, they buy them. So we will have it. Just as I say, one person come in and maybe they buy 10, they buy 15,
Yeah.
or whatever, the purpose. They just come
Okay.
and eat like that. We have chicken.
So what we have over here, the common fowl.
We have fowl. We have a lot of turkey because we sell them because turkey is a big thing. Your Thanksgiving. All various type. A lot of them we sold some yesterday. I sold 10.
Okay.
They continue. So yeah. Here we have chicken and that chicken you're looking at there. Maybe I'm going to take him out. I'm going to look at him. Call him out. Giganti. That fellow going to grow to about up here. He's going to grow tall, yes. Real big, yes. And so we keep, we sell out some of the hen too. Keep them for a while and get younger set. Them are layer. Eggs are here.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So, yeah, but that guy, the Gigante. Hey, guy, you want to come close to me? Yeah, man. You see, you have all type of thing people wouldn't really, If you don't know, you don't know. Because for us too, we are learning. And he's a really a tame fellow, A gentle giant. Come here, giant. Come here, giant. Come here. Don't pull out your feather, man. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Let me parade you, licking.
I'm fight you. Yeah.
Come on. Let us show you out. Oh God. Here we have some noisy bunch.
Yeah. The ducks.
Yes, they be trampling, Over here. We have soon that more chickens. Yeah. So, we just can't have enough. We just can't, because we have maybe 12 leave back, and maybe later on also we may get a call. And when you get a
So, Mr. Devon, I know what people will go and ask if they come to the farm to buy the chicken. They have to just buy it and do their own.
No. My friend everything is set up here. Some people would just say they kill it and they just go and they go look after it.
Yeah.
You have a next set of people come. They like to do the killing themselves too.
Oh.
But if not, we'll do the thing and you
will
pluck them. Yeah, we have everything for that purpose. Pick them, gut them off, and you go go have it.
Okay. So guys, there you are. Mr. Devon is saying if you come and you want it, they can
we just look out for it for you.
Kill it for you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Goose. He's the only one in leave. This is it. We have more pigeon up top. But as we say with this establishment,
Yeah.
nothing stays. As my friend would say, we're not running a zoo. Yeah,
Yes.
these are bigger birds. So we say we're trying to breed these. But
Okay.
yeah, in here, I was full with them. And
Yeah.
when the customers come, we don't tell them no.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
That's business.
that's it. That's it. That's what we are here for. Yeah, we still. I think we have. You call mini cows. Cow?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the term.
Oh.
We have this one leaf.
Whoa.
Yeah, they don't get bigger in terms of height, but you know they put on more weight, and yeah, it's like a dwarf species. Of course.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, come for the video, man. Come now, man, about to turn back. Come for the video. Come for the video, like. Yeah, you're on TV. What go? King guy, what happened? What happened? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a
Wow.
weather.
So this is as big as they grow then, Mr.
Yes,
Devon?
definitely. Yes, yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Not much, you know.
But you treat them just like the other cow. They eat the same thing and
yes, same thing.
everything.
Everything, yeah. It's a smaller species,
Whoa.
you know.
Honestly, I've never seen one of these before.
What we want. Fill it up and get rid of them.
Yeah. Guys, it's been a joy sharing our passion for these amazing animals with you. Remember, the farm gates are always open. Until next time, ciao. Guys, thank you for joining us today. Remember, the farm gates are always open to curious minds. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected. Ciao.